Hello guys, this is Ashish from SWIFX. So my today's video is going to be about how a candle forms in the market, okay? Whether it's a bullish candle or a bearish candle, we need to learn how a candle forms in the market, okay? So it's all about support and resistance, okay? And bullish candle forms at a support, bearish candle forms at a resistance, okay? That's a basic idea of it. So many things can happen with the manipulation in the market, but this is the basic idea. So let's go have a look how a bullish candle forms in the market. Okay. So a bullish candle is always forms like this. I have created a bullish candle over here. So let's see, bullish candle will have a open of the price like this. Then it will go down, it will create a low, then it will go all the way up to create a high, and then it will close like this. So bullish candle always forms like open, low, high, and close, and then a bullish candle will be forming in the market. Okay, now we come to the bearish candle. So a bearish candle will have a opening price like this. It will be open, high, low, it will create a low, and then it will close like this. So it will have open, high, low, close. So this is a way a bullish candle forms in the market, and this is a way a bearish candle forms in the market. Okay, so this is all about OLHC and then OHLC. So because opening of the price and closing of the price is very important in the market, and that's why I'm starting this thing to tell everyone that how a candle forms. You should know about it. This is very basic, but it is very, very important. The closing of the price is very important in the market. So always remember OLHC and OHLC. Okay. Open, low, high, close, open, high, low, close. And this is a way a bullish candle forms, and this is a way a bearish candle forms. So this was all about guys for candle formation in the market. So we will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.